I'm trying a recipe from Cat Can Cook. I will tag her in the comments. If you're not following her, you should be, and she has a new cookbook coming out. This is a 3-ingredient caramel sauce. It's really 4 ingredients because I added some vanilla to it. It has coconut milk, it has cornstarch, it has coconut sugar, and it has a little bit of vanilla in it, and it does not taste like coconut. Okay, this is 1 can of full-fat coconut milk. Don't worry if it separates like this. It's fine. We're gonna blend it all up. 2 teaspoons of just plain old cornstarch. 1, 2 teaspoons of salt. And I'm gonna throw a little bit of vanilla in here. This is actually, instead of vanilla extract, it's actually vanilla bean paste. Ooh, it's very vanilla-y. About that much. Pour this mixture into a saucepan. And we're gonna add 1 cup of coconut sugar. Coconut sugar has a better glycemic index than table sugar. It's brown and it has kind of a natural nutty taste. It's been simmering for about 30 minutes. I've been stirring it like every couple minutes just to make sure nothing sticks or burns. You want it to coat the back of a spoon, which it now does. I'm gonna try it on an apple. It is stupid good. In addition to eating it like this, it would be amazing on oatmeal. It would be amazing on a piece of pie. It would be amazing on some ice cream. I think anywhere you would use caramel.